Today we will discuss about the flower. Flower is a special organ of the plant which help in the reproduction. So then we can say it is a specialized shoot. Means special type of stem is there in which the leaves are modified into the floral structure. Means we can say flower is a stem and their leaves are changed into the petals, androecium, ganoecium. They change into such a structures. So first we talk about the stalk. So this is the stalk, or we can say pedicel to it also. It support the flower and it help to attach flower to the stem. And some flowers they are without stem also, without stalk also. So then they are called the sessile. So at the tip of we can say this stalk, there is an expanded form is there, cup shaped structure is there, that is called the receptacle or thalamus. So then flower we can say they have the four whorls, which is the outermost or first whorl is there, that are the sepals. Sepals they are the green in color. Sepals are green in color. We can say collectively it is called the calyx. Okay, sepals are green in color and collectively it is called the calyx, and they are the first whorl and the outermost whorl of the flower. Second whorl we can say that are the petals are there. Collectively they are called the corolla and they are of different colors. We can say brightly colors are there. Third whorl, that is we can say long thread like structure is there, and then we can say this one which is, and at the bilobed tip. Two lobes are there present in the tip. They are singular is called the stamen and collectively it is called the androecium. And it is the male reproductive part of the flower and it consists of two parts. At the tip we can say bilobe structure is there, that is called the anther. Bilobe structure is there, that is called the anther, and the down one filament is there. And the single structure with the anther and filament, it is called the stamen, and it is the male reproductive part of the flower. Now we are talking about the fourth whorl, that is there. We can say it's located in the center. It is called the pistil also. It is called the carpel also. Pistil also, carpel also, and collectively they are called the ganoecium. It is the female reproductive part of the flower and it consists of three parts. At the tip, that is called the stigma, and the middle, the tube-like structure is there, that is called the style, and the lowermost we can say swollen portion is there, that is called the ovary. And inside the ovary, ovules are present, that is the male gametes are there. So then, if a flower has all the four whorls, so that is called the complete flower, or we can say perfect flower. Okay. So then, if any one floral structure is missing, means any whorl is missing, that is called the incomplete or the imperfect flower. So then, and we can say this stamens or pistil, these are the important, these are the essential part of the flower. So they are called the essential because they help in the reproduction. Stamen and pistil, they help in the reproduction. So they are called the essential, or we can say reproductive part of the flower. And then we can say petals and sepals, they are just help in the protection of the flower, the protection of the androecium and ganoecium. So that is why they are called the non-essential parts, because they help only to protect. They we can say them non-essential part. So then in some flowers, these sometimes these are joined. Means we can say petals and sepals are, they are joined. It's not possible to make them different. Okay, if they are joined, they are called the perianth. And if the color is, we can say non-green, they are colorful, that is called the petaloid. And if they are green in color, they are called the sepaloid. Then some